To create a 3D shape first, I will use a shape here. I am taking a circle which we will cut out with the eraser. Now, you have a shape in front of you, which we will convert to 3D. Now, we will click on Effect. Here choose 3D and Material. Many options will open in front of you. We will choose Extrude and Bevel. A panel will open in front of us. Plane, Extrude, Revolve, and Inflate. Here we see 4 options, from which we will select Extrude. In this way we will have a fruit-like shape in front of us, then we will create a stem for it. Let's see one thing here. Importantly, you can convert one object at a time to 3D. Now click on the material here, and you will see that many options will appear. You can use any of them. The option I am choosing here is Circle Stitch. Here, let me tell you a good thing that we can also download many materials, so you can apply your own material on top of any shape. There are many options in 3D materials with which you can give your object a real look. There is also a light effect. Use it and create a beauty in your object. You have to wait a little and your object will look quite real. You can also go and see my videos. I will continue to work for you in the same way. Thank you very much for watching my channel.